Okay, what's up, y'all? This is Dawson Gage recording from the outer limit of house arrest. And this song is called Engine by Neutral Milk Hotel. For